Boom! New product tayo mga kasama. Meron tayong karaoke Bluetooth speaker by Aurashare. Ito yung model BS10 with Bluetooth version 5.3 with battery capacity of 4,000 mAh. Meron siyang charging time ng 6 hours tapos 4 to 5 hours ng music with maximum volume. Meron siyang speaker, dalawang mic and 1 charging cable. Yan, test naman natin ng kanyang mga mic. Iba-iba kasi kanyang mode.
Magical Voice 1.
Testing, this is Magical Voice number 1. Next.
Magical Voice 2.
Magical Voice 2. This is Magical Voice 2.
Magical Voice 3.
Magical Voice 3. This is Magical Voice 3.
Magical Voice 4.
Magical Voice 4. Hello everybody. This is Magical Voice 4.
Original Singing Mode.
Ito naman yung panglima natin. Ito yung singing mode down. Pero parang normal voice ko lang naman to, di ba? Alright. Overall review natin. Maganda naman siya. Maganda yung speaker. Maganda yung bass. Mas maganda talaga pag sa actor nito yung sounds. Pag actor mo nang naririnig, mas okay po siya kaysa dito sa video. Yan, ganyan lang sound check natin kasi
being a cop, a firefighter, and even a builder.
Wow! Let's go!